In CustomTools 2023, we now have a wizard to create Excel reports. If no export profile exists when you press the export icon, the wizard will launch to let you easily create one. First page is the welcome screen, and here I press next. Second page will let you select the export type needed, parts only or full structure, and option to export cut list items as well. You can also select to export active or all configurations. I'll keep the defaults and click next to continue. Now we select the columns to export. There are a few fields already added and these cannot be removed. You can add properties from the CustomTools attributes list by drag and drop. I'll add description, project number, revision, and workflow state. Notice, if you have no properties defined, we prompt you to either create properties using the wizard we introduced in 2020, or continue using very basic SOLIDWORKS BOM properties, or cancel the operation entirely. On the final page, you can name the export profile. This name is the one you see in the user interface later. Press Finish and the export window now opens. Here you can see the properties columns you selected. To run the export, click the Export button. This will create an Excel file, which can then be opened to confirm everything is as expected. I'll create a new export profile really quick. Under the Export button there is a drop list. We call this the Quick Access, and this has been a highly requested feature for a long time, and now we have it. From here you can launch the export we just created, or you can create a new export profile. This time a parts only BOM, with all configurations selected. I'll add the same columns as before. And keep the default name. After pressing Finish, the export window is opened again, and we can see that we now process all configurations. To control the quick access under the export, we need to open the CustomTools options. Here we go to Export Profiles, and from here we can also launch the wizard or modify profiles as usual. While we are here, did you know that you can easily make a copy of a profile? I'll copy the parts only BOM and make a few changes. We can define if the export profile is available from the quick access or not. I'll OK out of the options and show the quick access. The new profile is not here. If I then go back and edit from the options page and then enable the quick access, the parts only BOM will now be available directly in the quick access. Thank you for using CustomTools.
We are in the life-saving business. We kill your routines before they kill you.